This is a review of the Fitness Reality 400 MR rower. I've rode approximately 50 to 60 hours on this machine. I've owned it for roughly 3 months. Purchased this machine at the start of the lockdown 2.0 in December as a means to accomplish more cardio. The gyms do reopen today, but according to the government, cardio equipment is still off limits. Using this rower, it was easy to burn an extra 250 to 350 calories per day in about 30 minutes. Probably the best feature about this rower is the fixed arm. The reason the fixed arms are so good is because you avoid overuse of just the one rowing position over and over, and it isn't the best for everyone. For my shoulders, with this style of rower, you can pull back, you can do wide sweeping rows, and just give the elbows and shoulders a different motion. You can do it backwards. So using all of these different motions, I was able to avoid the overtraining stiffness and soreness in some of the joints that a traditional rower with one position only can cause. Impingement, and just can be uncomfortable to use a traditional rower for longer than 20 to 30 minutes. Using this style of rower, I can row comfortably twice as long because of the variety of positions the handles can be in while you're rowing. Wide, narrow, circular motion clockwise, circular motion counterclockwise. I purchased this particular rower from Costco.ca. It was quite heavy, but it was very easy to build. The UPS guy complained a lot about having to move it from his truck to the door, but it wasn't hard to get it inside, and took about 15 minutes to put it together with some really basic tools that were included. It's really easy to move around, lift, roll. If you do want to store it, it's with the seat part up. It's that easy. At $900, it is priced on the high side, especially considering the functions are all extremely basic, but I like the basic functions. The interface is really fast to use. The calorie counting seems to be on point with what other sources on the internet say you burn rowing. The magnetic resistance feels natural. It feels good. There are a wide variety of resistance settings. Overall, I feel this rower is good value. It's priced a little bit on the high side. It's probably worth $500 to $600. But, you know, the state of the world, we're in lockdown, fitness equipment's at a premium. The only negative I have noticed with this rowing machine is you can see the wheels right there seem to be losing material. And every once in a while, after using it, I will find little bits and pieces of these plastic wheels, and you can see it's kind of gathering in where the line is there. You can see that a bit of the plastic is coming off these wheels. I don't know how crucial that's going to be. I don't know if it's going to hamper the long-term use of it, but and I'm not sure what's causing it because everything seems to be in alignment. So as you can see, there is a bit of debris coming off of the plastic wheels, and you can see it again right there. But that is really the only thing that I can say is quote-unquote wrong with this machine. Everything else seems to be in great working order, really easy to use, sturdy, well built, extremely heavy. One thing that would be nice that some other rowers have is the angle of these are adjustable, of the foot pedals, but I find these are good. Knees feel great, ankles feel great even after an hour of continuous rowing. There's the rowing interface here. So to get started, I always just put it in manual. There are programs, I don't use them. Choose your length of rowing, enter, start. Then you can hear the magnetic resistance changing, and then adjust the level. And it goes all the way up to 16. I usually use it between 9 and 10 for longer sessions. There you have it, the Fitness Reality 400 MR rower. If you're looking for a good rowing machine, this one will do the trick. Like I said, after 50 to 60 hours of use, it feels the same as when it was brand new, other than the little bit of material wearing off the plastic wheels. I would say this is a better rower than most of the machines I've used in health clubs, which are all the traditional chain and bar. Those, you know, after 20 to 30 minutes, I can start to feel it between the shoulder blades. Sometimes feels like a little bit of a pinch. Never felt that with this machine once. I'd give this machine a 7 or 8 out of 10. The only reason it's losing points is it is a slightly overpriced and the wear on the wheels. And I'm not sure how hard it will be to find replacement wheels. Hopefully it's not going to happen, but just based on the amount of wear I've seen on these seat wheels, they will need to be replaced probably after, I'd guess, 100 to 150 hours. But so far, it doesn't seem to be a big issue.
Thanks for watching.